Hi, my name is Arjun. I go to Health Science High School. I'm in 11th grade. I go to Otter Ranch Hospital as a nurse assistant. My experience this year was well pleasant and I learned lots of things such as cleaning and waiting for patient requests. I was able to make my patient happy and healthy because my preceptor told me to do so, and I was happy that I was there and here in this school to get this experience, because if I was in other school, I don't think I don't get the same experience, because I'm here, and that's why I like to continue my experience next year in 12th grade as well.
Hi, I'm Lillian Sen. I'm a sophomore here at Health Sciences High. For my internship, I was in physical therapy and in the laboratory. So in the laboratory, we took out human blood and other human excrements and put them in bacteria and cultures to figure out what was wrong, if you had any deficiencies, any kinds of diseases that were wrong with you, any anything wrong with you in general, so we can help you because that's what a hospital does. In physical therapy, we helped you regain the back and motor skills. So for you to be able to control them. So if you came out of a big surgery, a car accident, if you had some kind of disability, we would try to help you regain your motor skills the best way possible to the best extent we could. I like Sharp Hospital and how they did their Sharp thing. Hi, Edison. I really love the conference that we went to, and some things that I learned from my internship is how to deal with patients and a lot of communication skills between the doctor, for me, like the intern, and the patient, so they know what's happening, and for you to always know what's happening so you can make sure that your patient feels okay. Yeah, bye. Tell me more about yourself.
I'm Anthony Galliana, and I'm in 11th grade here at Health Sciences High. And as a student, I am trustworthy, amazing, and honest.
Okay, what did you do as an intern?
What I did as an intern, as currently doing nursing, and my three jobs that I have to do over there is basically doing the stockings and wiping down surfaces to make sure bacteria doesn't caught in their fingers, basically, and go to the educational room, start fixing or filing some instructional discharge for patients for instructions and make sure everything's all organized.
Okay, what what did you do at internship?
What I did was, I always see my preceptor around and he or she tells me what to do actually, takes me around the hospital and, get to learn more information about it though. Get to experience it better.
Okay, what did you learn from your internship?
Basically, I learned a lot actually because in the past 3 years, ER radio room was my first internship since freshman year, and that was like one of the most first boring internships ever. Though I mean, I thought it'd be fun, but unfortunately, it wasn't at all because it was so inaccurate. All you gotta do in there is just listen to reports on what's happening to the patient, and start sending down some ambulance to make sure that this patient has to be in the hospital directly.
Okay, how's your experience at turning at Sharp Hospital?
Well, basically, my experience was amazing, though, actually, because I thought that, in reality, I mean, these people are just, taking things seriously, when it comes for them to go to the hospital. And then eventually, this is where, they take the advantage for them to, help with other people, make sure the patients are good, make sure they're not infected with bacteria, everything's all good, make sure their heart rate is like good, because if their heart rate's not exactly good, then that means this patient is officially dying, or probably their heart rate is like stop, it kind of stop eventually. So you have to make sure everything's good.
Okay. And cut.
Okay, tell me more about yourself.
Hello, I'm Jessica Visconti, and I'm in 10th grade, and I am interning at Sharp Memorial,
And what did you do as an intern?
For me, like what I did as an intern is that I have been helping nurses and uh, like by giving patients warm washcloths if they wanted it, also and also going into the nourishment rooms and restocking everything that's in there. And yeah.
And what did you do at internship?
Well, what I usually do is I clean the computers in the hallways and in the empty patient rooms, and I also clean the door handles of the patient's rooms, and I also learned how to set a patient's room and giving patients cold water.
And what did you learn from your internship?
For me, like what I learned, just about everything, I guess.
And how's your experience at interning at Sharp Hospital?
Well, I would say that my experience at interning at Sharp Memorial, it's like really great for me. So I can know what I want to do in the future. So as a nurse, so yeah.